Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing an Easter look. So this is where Easter meets art. It's going to be a really pretty look that I see in my head. We'll see if I execute that pretty look the way I see it in my head. But I'm pretty sure we will make some magic happen. So if you guys are interested in seeing this Easter inspired look, then please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for watching. Bye. Alright beauties, let's get started on this look. I have high hopes for this look. My hopes are really high for this look, but I feel like it's going to take some time, so we're going to go ahead and just jump into it. So let's go ahead and go into the P. Louise base in the Roamer 2 and get started. Alright, now it's time to go into our palette. For the palette today, I think I'm going to go into the matte palette. And I think we're also going to use the fruits palette. So I'll show you that one in a second. I have such a pretty look in my head, y'all. I'll be mad if it don't execute. So I'm going to go into this color here. This is a transitional color, and we're going to add that all above the crease. I'm bringing that all the way out too. Next, I'm going to go into this dark pink right here, and I'm going to tap that into the crease and out. Alright, that is good, y'all. Now we're going to go into this light pink here, and we're going to blend across this line here and just diffuse the color right across that line, because you don't want that line to be harsh. Alright, that's good beauties. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. Alright beauties, now we're going to go into coconut, and this is in the Fruit Cosmetics Signature palette. Coconut is right here. We're going to go into that color and just place that right by the cut crease. It's a metallic white. Now I'm going to create just a gold line going around. Okay, now we're going to go back into the P. Louise base and do a double cut crease. So we're going to cut the crease again. I want to add, I'm going to do Easter color. So we're going to do yellow in the front. So we're going to go into pineapple here. I like the intensity of that yellow, but I want it to be a little bit more pastel-y. So I'm going to go into this yellow here, this pastel kind of pinkish color, and add that. Next I'm going to go into this green here and add that. So we're gonna change it. I'm gonna go into this lime here and put that across everything. Now I'm gonna go back in with the gold liner again, and we're gonna go over the cut crease. Not feeling the green really, so I'm gonna actually go over that with this blue here called Berries. Then use my finger to do the rest like this, because your finger is gonna have more pigmentation than the brush. I'm gonna try using this white outliner from the crayon case to create the eggs. Alright y'all, we are getting there. Now it is time to design the eggs. So I'm going to go in with my lash glue and start making the eggs different colors. We're going to add this pigment here. Right, now we're about to do this liner. Then I'm going to add some glue to my liner and add some glitter. Alright, let's get started on the face beauties. Oh my goodness. This is taking so much. Okay, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Plus Matte Oil Control Lotion. So the two bumps that were right above my lip, those are gone. But now I have this big bump on my cheek again. So it's like my bumps are playing tag. Now we're going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. I'm going to set the primer with the flower powder from Beauty Bakery. Now we're gonna go in with our foundation, but we're gonna go in with Oma Beauty foundation. I'm about to look like an Oompa Loompa, let me pre-warn you. But even though this isn't my right color, I like how it looks even once it's corrected because the finish of it is really nice. So I'm going to get my right color at some point. But for now, we're going to work with this. Now we're going to highlight using Oma Beauty Bronze Venus T2. Then I'm going to go over it with 16 from Juvia's Place because I need something a little lighter since it is a little too dark. Now I'm going to contour with the Benin foundation from Juvia's Place. Now let's go ahead and work in this contour. Now we blend in the highlight. Now I'm going to go into the pink in this palette here. Blend that right around. Gently. Don't apply too much pressure with the brush. Don't want it to look crazy. Then back in with this light pink and blend that on the top. First we're going to go into these pencils here. Now I'm going to go into this palette here and go into the dark pink. Tap back into the dark pink. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and add our lashes. We're going to bronze up a little now, so I'm going in with my e.l.f. Deep Bronzer. Next I'm going to go ahead and go into my blush, which is this Always Rosy blush from e.l.f. Go into my flower powder and cassava. Dust this away. Add a little highlight. Outlining the lip with Gumbo from the crayon case. And I'm going to take this wipe and I'm going to blot with it. And Glitzy gloss. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I wanted to get artsy for Easter and we created this egg cut crease that is going across, and I think it looks so cute and festive and getting ready for this Easter. Even though we have to spend it in the house, we can still celebrate Easter because it's not about, you know, the bunnies and all that kind of stuff. It's just about what it represents. So I hope you guys will still be celebrating, and I hope you guys have fun with this look with me. If you did, and if you do like this look, don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. Bye.